face that running up.
What's up everyone? So I have a good news for the Galaxy A52 users, as Samsung has started rolling out a new update with August security patch for this smartphone. Also, we have some new features with this update that we will discuss in today's episode. But before starting, make sure to drop a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be posting my impressions on the Galaxy Watch 4 pretty soon. The update is about 245 MB in size and it is available to download in a lot of countries. If you have received this update, just let me know in the comments below. Okay, so the changelog of this update is attached somewhere here. You can pause the video and check it out. First of all, there is improvement related to battery charging algorithm, which means now your Samsung Galaxy A52 will charge in a way to save battery from overcharging. Next on the list, there are improvements related to camera application, like camera stability has been improved with same image quality. Previously, with recent updates, a lot of people had issues with slow opening of camera application, but during my testing, it appears to be the same or slightly improved. How camera application on your Galaxy A52 is working? Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moving on to the last thing, we have enhanced device security, and once again it is mentioned that once updated, you cannot downgrade the software due to updates to security policy. So what are your thoughts regarding this August security patch? Also, now the Galaxy S21, the flagship device from Samsung, and the Galaxy A52, both are on August security patch. I think Samsung is really killing with updates this year. So that was about it for today's episode, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.